And now our next topic is addition of integers on a number line. How do we add integers on a number line? You see page number 125, this topic is given. I'll tell you how to add integers on a number line. Pay attention here carefully. First example you see. Suppose you are given with two positive integers to add together. Like you have to add positive integer 2 with positive integer 6. When both the integers are positive, how do we add them on a number line? First of all, we need to make a number line. After this, 0 in the center. Like this, we'll make a number line. And so on. Okay, and here we have negative integers like this and so on. Okay, you see, first of all, when we have first integer as positive, keep in mind that when we have positive integer, that time we will move towards right from 0, and when we have negative integer, we will move left from 0. This thing you keep in mind. Okay, so if you see this first integer, this is positive integer 2, right? So what we have to do now, we will come to 0 first of all. We will come to 0. Now from this 0, we will move where? We will move up till this 2 in the right side. Why are we moving in the right side? Because we have the positive integer here. Okay, and then another integer also we have positive, right? What is the positive integer? That is 6. So what we have to do now, from this 2 we will take 6 steps. Okay, so how to take 6 steps? You see, from this 2 till this 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from this 2, when we are taking 6 steps, we are reaching till 8, right? So positive integer 2 and positive integer 6 together give us what? Give us positive integer 8 in the answer. I hope it is clear now that if we have positive integer, then from 0 we will take right turn up till that given integer. After coming to that integer, which other number we have to add? We will move that much steps. This is given 6 now. So from this 2 we will move 6 steps on the number line. How? From 2 to 3 we have 1 step, 3 to 4 second step, third, fourth, 5 and 6. You can show the 6 steps which we are moving now with small like this. You can show the 6 steps which we are moving. Clear? Now another example I'll give you. When we have two negative integers, suppose we are having integer that is 5 plus, minus 5 plus minus 3. Suppose this is our question. When we have both the negative integers, how to solve them on the number line? Pay attention carefully. First of all, we'll make a number line. On the number line like this and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and so on. Okay, so here we have the number line. What we have to do is, you see, first of all you come to the first integer which is given. First integer is given here minus 5. What we have to do now, we will come to 0. From this 0 we will take left turn. Okay, because this is minus na. So I told you, when we have minus means we will take the left turn. Okay, so from this 0 we will come till minus 5. Okay, from the 0 minus 5, and it is written here minus 3. So what we have to do again, this is minus sign. Minus sign means left side we have to go. So from this minus sign we will take 3 more steps in left side. We will take 3 more steps in left side. So this is one step, second step, and here we will finish the third step. You see. So where we are getting the answer? Minus 8 na? So minus 5 plus minus 3. What answer we will get? Minus 8. Got it? And this is how we show the answer on our number line. This is for when we have both the negative numbers. So when we have both negative integer, how to solve? Starting from 0. Keep in mind the first we have to start from 0. And it is given in negative. So we will come to left side. Second integer is also negative now. So again we will come till left side in how much? 3. So 3 jumps. 1, 2 and 3. So we'll get minus 8. Okay. Now third example I'll tell you. Third example. If we have one integer positive. Suppose we have one integer positive like plus 2. Okay. And we have to add this with one negative integer. Now how to solve this, you see. One positive and one negative. We'll make a number line first of all. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then here like this. Minus 6, minus 7 and so on. Okay. So you see here. We have here positive integer first na. So what we have to do? Beginning with 0. Keep in mind addition on number line we will begin with 0. From this 0 which turn we will take? Right turn. Why right turn? Because we have this positive integer. So from this 0 we will take a right turn up till where? 2 na. So this. Okay. And then this is minus 3. Minus 3 means we have to take left turn, right? Left turn in 3 jumps. So here we have reached. From here we will take left turn. So 1, 2 and 3. Here we will reach. So you see this. Minus 1 is your answer when you have the negative and a positive integer. Clear? Once again I'll tell you. If we have one positive and one negative, if we have one positive and one negative, what we have to do is now, first of all, starting from 0, we will take right turn for the positive integer 2 here. Then we have minus 3. When we have negative integer, we are coming to left side. This is given 3. So 3 jumps we have to take. We are on 2. So from this 2 till 1 is 1 jump. Till 0 is second jump. And till minus 1 is third jump. Clear? So when positive and negative, we'll solve like this. Now, fourth example also I'll give you. Here you can see we have positive integer this side and negative integer this side. If we have like this, minus 5 plus 2. Like this if we have question. Then how to solve, you see. Very simple it is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Like this. And so on. Okay. You see. First of all, keep in mind addition in integer will always begin from 0. Addition in integer will always begin from 0. First integer we have in minus. First integer we have in minus. So if we have minus, so we will take the left turn. If we have minus, we will take the left turn. It is 5 na? So till where we'll go? Left turn up till 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we have plus 2. Plus 2 means right turn. Okay, plus means right turn. So we have reached till 5. Now from this 5, we will come to 2 jumps. I mean, we'll take 2 jumps. So till here 1 jump and till here second jump. So this is your second jump. What is the answer? Minus 3. Got it clear? Like this we have to show on the number line. And you know the solution, minus plus minus. So we will do minus, which will come 3, and sign we will put of greater. So this is minus 3. Is it clear? So that's how when we have to do addition on number line, we will solve like this. Go through the video clip very carefully, and any doubts you may ask in the comment section.